Right, so as you can see, we're at the Target elevator, the Glendale Galleria mall. As you can see, here are the two elevators, and we're just calling one to see which one does. We'll keep an eye on one of these. It's the entrance right there. There we go. Take a look at that. That right there. They're taking quite a while to come. Oh, there it is. See, someone's coming up. Two of them. Oh, let's see which one is gonna be. Put it up. Alright, this one has no one. Okay, we're gonna go to number 3. Close. Watch it close. My little burgers. Okay. So as you can see, this also video was requested by Carlos Garduza. Okay, we hear the little motor sound. Looks pretty good. The lights, right? Back. There's Mr. Security Camera, Mr. Good Guy. Right? 2. We hear the bell. 3. Right? Water fountains. What I've been noticing, there's a lot of employees coming in elevators and they see me, like the lady right there, so good thing I actually didn't say anything, but they keep looking at me, so we're gonna go to 1.
We were in the second with Norma. Were we not in the second floor? Claire's is in the second floor. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we need to wait. Alright, so we're gonna call for the elevator again to go to number 1. As you can see, that's the elevator equipment room, which makes the motor noise, which I heard earlier. As you can see, someone might be coming again. Alright, as you can see, I'm pretty sure I'm off to edit it. I'm not sure if I do. It's okay, but make sure you like and subscribe. Alright, Carlos Garduza, this is for you. That's the noise. The motor noise comes from there. Alright, so that means it might be coming up. Where am I? Let's see which one will ring. It'll be this one or that one. I'm not 100% sure which one. Sorry, my camera's kind of shaky because I'm kind of nervous if I don't get caught by security. Because I never got caught in the elevator before, but you never know what might happen. We hear it? Alright, guys. Alright, so we're gonna go to what floor? Okay. When we go down, makes less noise. Second floor. Alright, we're gonna be going down to number 1. Kind of messy, like goldfish or something. Oh yeah, so as you can see, Carlos, I'm gonna have to tell you this, that when you go up in the Glendale Galleria, they make the motor noise. When you go down, they don't make it. So it's pretty weird because I've been like 3 or 4 elevators that does the same thing. That's it, we're in number 1. There you go, we're gonna watch the elevator close. Oh, can you go ahead? Alright, that's it.